Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you the step-by-step of how to make chow mein. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 1 pound of chicken breast sliced into strips and half a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. You'll also need 1 medium-sized carrot grated and 2 green onions cut into 1.5 inch in size. Also 1 packet of chow mein. Let's marinate the chicken. You'll need half a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, and half a teaspoon of cornstarch. And combine everything together. Now let's prepare the sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaohsing Wine, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And add in 4 tablespoons of water. And add in 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning and mix well. And set it aside for later use. Now let's cook the noodles. On high heat, boil 6 to 7 cups of water. Add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in your chow mein noodles. The package says to cook for 20 seconds, but I usually cook it for 1 minute. Remove the noodles once it's done cooking for 1 minute. Run the noodles under cold water until the water runs clear. This will also remove the starch from the noodles and give it an extra crunch. Once the water runs clear, pour out the water and put it in a strainer to dry. Now let's combine all the ingredients together. On high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Stir fry the minced garlic until it turns a light brown color. Then add in your marinated chicken. And stir fry the chicken until it's 90% cooked. If you want to learn more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest videos and updates. Then add in your shrimps. And add in 2 tablespoons of the sauce. And stir fry the chicken and shrimp until it's fully cooked. Now add in your vegetables and stir fry for 2 minutes. Try not to overcook the vegetables. And this is totally optional. Now add in your noodles. I prefer to cut my noodles in half before adding it into the pan. By cutting the noodles, it will be easier to stir fry. Then stir fry all the ingredients together. I find that using a pair of tongs or chopsticks is much easier to rotate your noodles. Now add in your sauce. If you want your noodles a little darker, just add in half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Stir fry for 4 minutes or until the sauce has absorbed into the noodles. And it should look like this when the noodles are done cooking. And here it is, simple and delicious, easy way to make chow mein. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.